In a statement on Wednesday, the Electoral Commission of Jamaica ECJ says Buchanan's request to overturn the result was denied. According to the Commission, Buchanan relied on Section 37 of the Election Petition Act to support his request. In that section, it's noted that a request can be considered in the event of an upsurge in violence or any irregularity during election day in one or more polling stations or polling divisions or in any electoral division or constituency. The ECJ says Buchanan submitted several affidavits from himself and others in support of his request. But the Electoral Authority says after careful consideration of the affidavits and the relevant case law, the constituted authority found that the evidence presented did not satisfy the standard contemplated by the wording of the law. As such, the constituted authority refused Buchanan's request.